Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. This is our third video of June. In the first and second videos of June, we have started chapter number 4 of our geography section, which is minerals and natural resources of the Muslim world. We have discussed the definition of minerals, that minerals are the substances that are dug up from the ground or from quarries. In Urdu, minerals mean madaniyat. Then we have discussed the definition of natural resource, that a natural resource is something found in nature that people can use to meet their needs. In Urdu, natural resource means kudarti wasail. Then we have discussed the definition of Muslim world, that those countries whose governments have declared that they are the Muslim countries, and those countries where the majority of the population is Muslim, like Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, Iran, Egypt. All these are the different examples of the Muslim world. After the discussion of the definition of minerals, natural resources and Muslim world, then in the second video of June we have discussed different minerals, like we have discussed oil, gas, coal, copper, zinc and lead. Now today we are going to discuss the remaining minerals of this chapter. So the first mineral which we are going to discuss today is nickel. Do you know what is nickel or what are the uses of nickel? Nickel is very valuable. It is the shiny metal like on bicycle handlebars or bumpers of cars. Indonesia, which is the Muslim country, is the fourth largest producer of nickel in the world. This is the picture of bicycle handlebars, and in it nickel is used. What is nickel? It is a shiny metal and it is used in the bicycle handlebars. This is a picture of a car. It shows the bumpers of car, and in it also nickel is used, which is a very shiny metal. The next metal which we are going to discuss today is gold. Whenever we heard the word gold, we just think of jewelry. We think that gold is only used in making jewelry, but this is not true. There are many other uses of gold. Gold is the best conductor of all metals. It is never rust. Rust, as we have discussed before, that rust means zang lag jana. It is used in scientific equipment, and it is also widely used in electronic equipment in satellites. Equipment means things. It is used for making important connections in computers. It is also used to make jewelry. It is sometimes used for making artificial teeth. If we talk about Muslim world, Indonesia and Uzbekistan are the largest producer of gold in the Muslim world. This is the picture of satellite. Do you know what is satellite? Satellite is an artificial body revolving around the planet, and in Urdu, satellite means masnooi sayara. In satellite, gold is also used. It is used in electronic equipment like a computer. And as all of we know that gold is also used in making jewelry. Now the last topic, the last metal which we are going to discuss today is silver. Have you ever heard the word silver? Do you know what are the different uses of silver? Silver is used in jewelry, cutlery and silverware dishes. It was the main chemical in photographic film. It was used for coins in the past. It is also used in computers. And if we talk about Muslim world, Kazakhstan ranks 9 among the world's largest producers of silver. This is the picture of silver coin. As we have discussed that silver is also used in cutlery. Cutlery means the things of kitchen like spoons, fork, knives, etc. This is the picture of photographic film. It is used in past days and silver is also used in these photographic films. Now we are going to do the reading of these 3 topics which we have discussed today. It is on page number 23 of our social studies book class 7. The first topic which we have discussed today is nickel. This valuable metal is often used like zinc to coat steel objects to stop them from rusting. Valuable means costly, expensive, or in Urdu it means mehenga. Then rusting, we have discussed the meaning of rusting. Rusting means zang lag jana. It is the shiny metal you see on bicycle handlebars or the bumpers of cars. Nickel is also used to make some silver coins. Indonesia is the 4th largest producer of nickel in the world. Then the next is gold. We usually think of jewelry when we think of gold, but today it has a much more important place in industry. It is the best conductor of all metals in the world and will never rust. Rust, zang lagna. Conductor means through which electricity can easily pass. Today, gold is used in scientific equipment, especially for making important connections in computers and other electronic equipment. Equipment means things. Gold is widely used in electronic equipment in satellites. We have discussed the meaning of satellite. Satellite means an artificial body revolving around the planet, and in Urdu it means masnui sayara, because it will not tarnish. Tarnish means lose shine. It never loses its shine. Gold is sometimes used for making artificial teeth. Indonesia, which ranks 7th, and Uzbekistan, which ranks 9th among the top 10 producers of the world's gold. Indonesia and Uzbekistan, these 2 are the Muslim countries. And if we talk about the whole world, Indonesia ranks 7th and Uzbekistan ranks 9th in the top 10 producer of the world's gold. Then the next topic is silver. Silver is also resistant to tarnishing, as well as for jewelry, cutlery and silverware dishes like cups, trays, etc. Silver is used in computers because it conducts electricity well. Once it was the main chemical in photographic film, but today most cameras record the images on digital strips. Silver is used in the manufacture of many chemicals. It was used for coins in the past, but today it is considered too soft for this. Kazakhstan, which is a Muslim country, ranks 9th among the world's largest producers of silver. In the whole world, Kazakhstan ranks 9th in the largest producers of silver, which is a Muslim country. Now, this is the end of our chapter number 4. Inshallah, in next video, we will start the written work of this chapter, which will also help you in doing your June task. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Best of luck.